Welcome to the next video of Technology Initiative of Bombay Chartered Accountants Society on Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to find. Now, in the last video, we have seen how to find out pass or fail using if function. Now, let us see how to find out which class the student has secured with the given marks using if function 1. And in the next video, I'll showing you how to do the same thing using VLOOKUP function, which is much easier if you understand the VLOOKUP function and is able to use it. So let us look at the if function first. As I mentioned earlier as well, we can combine multiple formulas or functions within each other. So here we'll have to do the same thing. So let us start with first if. If the marks are, now this is the first step. So either we'll have to select one direction, that is from lower to higher or higher to lower. So we'll have to follow that one direction, and both ways we can definitely create the formula. So let us follow lower to higher. So if we are going lower to higher, the first step is find out whether the marks are less than 39. So let me put that way. Are the marks less than 39? If this is true, if the marks are less than 39, then obviously the student is failed, comma. Now this is the value if false. If the marks are not less than 39, then in the earlier video we have seen that we just want that the student is pass. But here we want to establish whether it is a pass class, second class, first class, or distinction. So if the marks are not less than 39, then we'll have to check the next condition in the false value of the first if. So let us check by putting a formula over if. Again the same cell reference, less than, now here 49. Sorry, here it will be not 39 but 40. And here it will be 50. Okay. If the marks are not less than 40, then it will go to the next phase, that is not true function or not true part of the first if. Here it will test whether it is less than 50. If it is true, then pass. Now if this is also not true, then again if, cell reference, less than, now next level 60. So is it less than 60? If yes, second class. If this is also not true, then further if. Again the same cell reference, less than 75. If this is true, then first class. And if this is also not true, that is marks are not less than 75, it means they are 75 or above, then the false value of the last if will be distinction. Here we close the bracket for the last if. Then we close the bracket for the second last if. Here, if you observe carefully, once I put a bracket, then the brackets do highlight. Now this bracket has highlighted, it also matches the color. Now this red bracket closed, and now the last one, the final outer bracket is always marked in black color. And enter. And just copy this to all the cells below, and it gives the correct classification of class that the student has secured based on the marks in the given column.